I woke up early in the morning, and normally Kenya is up a long time before me. It's very rare that I'm awake before he is. But I woke up very early on a Saturday morning, and I looked at him, and he looked fine. I had a very bad feeling. I don't normally wake up with a bad feeling, but I had this bad feeling that something's wrong. And I looked at him, and he looked fine, and all of a sudden the side of his face kind of twitched. And then he went into full grand mal seizure convulsions. It was just pure terror. I don't even know if there are words to the thoughts, right? When someone you love is that sick, and all of a sudden, even when you have insurance, it's truly complicated. They're very tricky and convoluted about what they will and won't pay for. And it's something like $8,000 to $10,000 for him to be in the hospital for a day. And we don't get an itemized bill. So we don't know, how much does the Jello cost versus, how much does the chemo cost and the bed and,
Yeah, you have to basically file an appeal to get an itemized bill. It's like, as much as there's all this complaints that I hear about, well, the cost of Medicare is rising. I mean, the system is built right now to reinforce these rising costs. There's no checks on it. Not even for, if you're a patient and you wanted to say, well, what is it that I could do to make my costs be more efficient? You can't get that information.
Mm-hmm. We have probably 3 huge binders, like this thick binders, full of EOBs, explanation benefits. There's endless paperwork. And I have to say, I really do not enjoy opening the mailbox, even though a lot of the things that are in there are beautiful cards from people that love us, that are sending us all this love. Like, I am just horrified to open the mail every day.
There's just a lot of bureaucratic problems with the healthcare system that, no matter, even with the health reform being heard by our Supreme Court, that's just the tip of the iceberg of what types of changes that need to occur to make sure we have a system that works for Americans.